Hello, General English students. This is Mrs. Wiersma here. I hope you're doing well. I miss you guys. I wish we could be back in class, but let's make the best of what we have here. So today I just want to show you a little bit about what you're expected to do this week and what's available on the Canvas page. So if you scroll down, you see the Learning Opportunities section here. If you do want to go back to learning opportunities from previous weeks, there's a link here, so you'll be able to go back to see what we've done before. This week we have learning opportunities posted for Tuesday and Thursday, since technically Monday we had off for Easter break. Next week we'll likely post work on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. And just because the work is posted on these specific dates doesn't mean you have to do it then. So like this week, if you want to do the work Wednesday and Friday, that's fine. Just try to do as much of this work as possible so that you can keep learning, because even though we don't have grades to give you, this learning is really important. So we are going to be working on a vocabulary standard, and we'll be doing some reading as well. So the first thing you need to do on Tuesday is watch this Edpuzzle video. So you'll open that video and it should ask you for a nickname. I'm logged in on my account, so I guess it didn't work to show you that. But please type in your first name, and then as you watch the video it will stop periodically and there will be questions for you to answer. So as you answer those questions, as long as you put in your name as the nickname to start out with, we'll be able to see what you understand and what we may need to help you more with as you go. After you've taken some notes and watched that video, so you'll have 5 vocabulary words, then you need to spend at least 10 minutes studying the new vocabulary words, either using Quizlet or vocabulary.com. If you'd like to spend more than 10 minutes, that would be great, preferably until you've really mastered the words and know them well. Vocabulary.com is definitely more challenging than Quizlet, but it can also help you get a deeper understanding of the word. If either of these links or any links on this page don't work, please send me an email, send Mrs. Wiersma an email, so that I can fix that problem. Then for Thursday, you'll read this story, Sometimes a Dream Needs a Push. So you'll have this document here and read through the story. It's about a boy who is in a wheelchair and wants to play basketball. And after you read that story, there are some questions for you to answer. Oh, once again, I'm logged in, so you don't see what that looks like. But click there. Questions to answer. You can go back to the story if you need to. And then finally there's a writing prompt that kind of ties it all together. This bolded part is what you're going to be writing about right here. You'll be using at least one vocabulary word within your response and using evidence from the story. Make sure you follow these directions. Write it in a Google Doc. Make sure you have a topic sentence and at least 5 sentences in your paragraph. Make sure you read through your writing before you submit it, so that you can catch any errors. And then I do want you to both submit it on Canvas and share it with Mr. Schmalbeck and myself. That way when you submit it on Canvas, we know that you have it done, and when you share it with us, we can comment on it more easily. Or at least you can see our comments more easily than you can see them on Canvas. So that's the work that we have planned for you this week. If you want to do some extra work on improving your English skills, you can do some IXL of your choice. Reading is a fantastic way to improve your reading and writing skills. So find a book that you enjoy and read at least 15 minutes this week or more. Or if you want to do some other writing of your own and get feedback on it, you can certainly send that to me or to Mr. Schmalbeck. So if you need anything or have any questions, or if there's any way we can help you at all, please let us know, and I hope you have a great week.